Guys, a majority people will be asking me a lot of a question about which ingredient will be best to clear your acne. So as well as which ingredient you will just be apply on your face and get a clear skin. So there will be a lot of what a people question ask me about how to clear acne and which ingredient will just be used on our face to get what a clear skin. So there will be a lot of ingredient to get a clear skin. You'll just be find out in product, but the point is how you will just be find out ingredient and which product will be contain this ingredient. So first of all, this is my recommendation. I'm just be saying to you a lot of ingredient will be available to get rid of acne. So a millions people will be facing this problem, but the point is you know what a millions people will not be know how to deal this problem. So first of all, number one ingredient, most of a dermatologists will be recommended this salicylic acid based 2% cleanser. One, you will just be find a salicylic acid based cleanser. So 2% salicylic acid, basically this is a chemical exfoliant which will be goes deeper into your pores. This will be dissolve your dead skin cells, and as well as it will be remove your dead skin cells, as well as sebum. This is a fat soluble, that's mean oil soluble, so which will be goes deeper into your pores, so which will be mix with this will be remove your oils and sebum, and that's with some anti-inflammatory properties. So as well as this will be increasing a skin cell turnover, and this is the best option to get rid of hyperpigmentation. But especially a lot of dermatologists will be recommended this for acne patient. So personally, I'm just using a salicylic acid based cleanser in salicylic acid based cleanser, so foaming cleanser. My most favorite, I'm just be the big fan of a using a salicylic acid in a cleanser form. I'm just not be applied topically on my face and not be left this guy. And second one, this is the best option. You will just be apply a retinoid. I'm just not be the big fan of a retinoid, because one, I'm just be a retinoid will not be suited to my skin, but overall every one you will just be facing a severe acne. So a lot of dermatologists will be recommended to you retinoids to apply topically as well as to taken orally. So retinoid, basically this guy will be increasing a skin cell turnover, which means, and this will be also reduce your fine and wrinkle on your face. So this is such a nice amazing, but I'm just not with a big fan of a retinoid. Personally, I'm just with a big fan of a a benzoyl peroxide. So this is such a nice and amazing ingredient. The third one, benzoyl peroxide, such a nice and amazing, so which will be do a lot of work for me. This will be guy also anti-inflammatory properties. It will be also kill your bacteria, as well as to get rid of dead skin cells, so they unclog pores. So benzoyl peroxide, such a nice and amazing ingredient, which will be do a lot of work for me. So that's why personally I'm just be using a salicylic acid base in cleanser form and applying topically in cream form benzoyl peroxide. So this is such a nice and amazing what this top three ingredient to get rid of a lot of a treatment will be available in dermatology. First of all, what in dermatology, what a salicylic acid based pill, glycolic acid based pill, AHA and BHA pills, 20%, 10% apply on your acne area. So this is basically a high quality dermatologist preparation. So which will be this is a basically both of them, AHA and a BHA, salicylic acid and glycolic acid, both of them are chemical peels. So you'll just be see a lot of a person behind me, just ignore him. You'll just be focusing on on my videos. So a lot of appeals will be lactic acid pill for sensitive skin type. Lactic acid is such a nice option to get rid of acne, but most famous is BHA, salicylic acid and glycolic acid, AHA alpha hydroxy. There will be a lot of types, tartaric acid, lactic acid, so citric acid. So but the most famous is glycolic acid, so which will be again from sugarcane. So this is such a nice amazing glycolic acid. Basically it will be exfoliate your top layer of a skin, and salicylic acid which will be goes deeper into your pores, and this will be exfoliate your dead skin cell from deeper level. This will be goes into your our skin will be a three layer. First one epidermis, second one dermis, and the third one hypodermis. So salicylic acid work in dermis layer, second layer of our skin, and glycolic acid will be working epidermis so well. But glycolic acid is famous for to get rid of fine line wrinkle, as well as get rid of hyperpigmentation, so a lot of a thing. But salicylic acid goes deeper, so this will be a catalytic active, which mean it will be exfoliate your dead skin cell and which will not be clog your pores. So this is such a nice option to get rid of dead skin cell and comedone. So when your pores will be clogged with bacteria, sebum, oil, so all of them will be combined, you'll just be clog your pores. So this will be led to blackheads, whitehead, and as well as cyst acne. I'm just we hate a cyst acne because I have a combination to oily skin type. So I'm just been a a big fan of the Ordinary company. And the second one is Dr. Lancer product. So Dr. Lancer product, most trusted brand, so which will be a lot of celebrities in Hollywood. So there will be try a lot of things on face, and most of trusted brand, because Dr. Lancer skincare product do a lot of 100% work. And another thing, the Ordinary such a nice and amazing, which will be a old brand. So old is gold. So the Ordinary such a nice and amazing, the Ordinary 100% work. One, you'll just be go to genuine product of the Ordinary. And the second point is Dr. Lancer such a nice and amazing dermatologist. A lot of a celebrity will be using Dr. Lancer skincare product, because when you will just be apply all of them Dr. Lancer product, you will just be see a lot of a difference in first use. So I'm just been a big fan of a Dr. Lancer product. Okay, so and so all of them top three ingredient, one you'll just be apply on your face, so you'll just be get a clear skin. So okay, so guys, if you're interested in this line, please support my channel, press the bell icon for my new episode. Thank you so much for watching this. Have a nice day. Bye bye.